The engine will give good performance. It's a 2-speed automatic, so it's easy to drive. Is the fuel feed line to the engine. So wherever we put our fuel system, we'll feed it right into this line, and this goes right to the fuel pump and feeds the engine with fuel. The accelerator linkage is operated here. There'll be a rod that comes down to the bell crank here on the transmission, and then there'll be a cable running from this forward to the gas pedal. This is also the kick down for the transmission, but also serves as the accelerator linkage pivot point. We also need to put in a power glide fill tube and a pan. Again, those items are out of the plater now, and once that's installed, you'll have a dipstick here for the power glide. So we're almost complete. We're moving on to the next phase. Body finished up, which is going to be spectacular. I can't wait to see what this looks like when it's laid on top. The engine showing, it's going to be unreal. It really is. I'm super excited.